Your love is never ending. Now you can say the truth that you will stay.
Ay, Karedad! Murad yung kagabaw giihaw!
Kabaw bataw ko na just because kipakilig ka niya, it does not mean higugmaon ka niyang tarong. Gilad na sad ko.
Day, di man ka mailad kung di ka magpailad. Sex is marriage.
Kaluod ni mama.
Kung gusto ka, respetaran ka sa mga lalaki. You tell them, I'm either biblically single or biblically married. Bitaw da yung tinuod na lalaki, murag chess player. Mahadlok mawagtang iyang queen.
Bitaw ma, naman siya right mangitaglain ba? Kaya in the first place, dili man mo iyab. And that's fine.
Anak, don't give up on something you really want. Lisod yun na siya hulaton, pero ang mas lisod, mahay.
Well, it's hard to fight for things that are uncertain. Anyway, Happy Mother's Day, ma. I love you.
Ay kung ilari Karedad, ambay mong report card. Unsay pasabotan ng letter F? Ang kaning F is stand for persistent. Perfect. Anda fasado. Papatay ka?